Hi, welcome back. How to control dynamic filter and condition record maintenance. It's not much important, but still it is some extent it is useful. Let me show you how to do this and let's go back. Suppose you would like to filter either based on condition type or distribution channel or else, maybe based on the material. For example, it is what it is showing. If you click here, this is the filter it is showing. Okay. Condition type and sales organization distribution channel. So if you look at this here, the key field is material, right? As of now. In a probably like, you have a different key combinations. Might comes into picture. So when you are working in real time, you have 1,000 records. You would like to search certain material here, then obviously you need to do that. Okay, how do you do that? So for example, okay, so this is the button for new field selection. If you click here, if you see this, all these are green means activated. I don't want condition type. I can, okay, if I double click this, it will be moved. I don't want sales organization and distribution channel. Just I want only material. So I can able to make the filter like this. This is not much important, but still some extent certain scenarios it might be useful. So if I give this one 743, okay. So now I cannot able to see any other material for that matter because since it is already got filtered. Okay. So if I remove this, okay, execute, I can get my things back. So if I go to the filter, if I would like to add any other value, okay, I want extra sales organization. So I can able to add. So this is my sales organization. Anyhow, with sales organization, we got all this condition record filter. There is nothing more. Okay. Let's try to check 142. Let's filter this. Okay. Let's execute this. If the material is available, it will come. Nothing is available, it will show the blank. Okay. This is what it is. There is nothing much, but still I would like to add this one as a point for you for your learning on practice. We have to learn each and every field practice if you would like to be perfect on SAP ECC or S4 HANA. So if you'd like to get more inputs, please subscribe my channel. All these are the different courses at my end. If you really want, you can subscribe it. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.